फोर्टिफाईड तांदळाच्या नावान प्लास्टिक तांदूळ पाविल्ल्यान बोळ जाल्लो। होच धागो धरून ॲडव्होकेट कार्लोस आल्वारीस फरेरान कृषी मंत्र्याक विचारलें, सवाय खाण पोट फुगें दिवचे परस गोंयचो अस्सल पुष्टीक उकडो तांदूळ कित्याक दिनात? मुख्यमंत्र्यान जाप दिली, उकडो तांदूळ लोकांक दिवप परवडचें ना। आयकात विधानसभेतलें तांदळाचें दळण। जेका रवी नायकान फोर्टिफायड रायस म्हण तुस्त केली ते प्लास्टिकचे तांदूळ अशी लोकांनी टिका केल्ली। जायते कडेन दुबावीत दर्जाचे तांदूळ सापडले बी। ह्या तांदूळ पुरवणेच्या विशयाक घेवन हळदणचो काँग्रेसीचो आमदार कार्लोस फरेरान प्रश्न काडिल्लो। तांदळाचो दर्जो तपासले बगर ताची पुरवण करची न्हय अशें नीती आयोगाने सुचयल्लें, हाचे कडेनय फरेरान लक्ष ओडलें।
I have asked specifically the questions which are very well worded for an intention that we must get clarity. Kita fortified rice ham lok muntat plastic rice. So this is causing major concern. Niti Ayog's member on agriculture, Ramesh Chand, has also expressed concern without taking expert opinion. You can't push this rice. Dr. Aruna Krupad, member of Niti Ayog's National Technical Board on Nutrition and Professor St. John's Medical College said, you should not be put, it should be done in phases. Now my question, which I have put, is this. Question A, whether the government has taken any conscious decision, my word is conscious decision, not decision, conscious decision for supplying fortified rice in Goa. And the second one, B, whether any biomarker test or any other study has been conducted in the state of Goa to justify, support the decision to implement. The answer given on conscious decision, they have given me file notings, mark file noting dile, and in the file noting, it simply shows एक letter आयिल्ली म्हणून central government on 18 April, that is pursuant to the Prime Minister's statement on 2021 that he was going to make fortified rice available in India on Independence Day, and that letter comes to say that it should be done in phases. And the letter gaile in the file noting, and it is marked by head clerk, superintendent, ACD, on 23rd, and the file goes to the minister next month, and on 24th, very next day, it is approved. That means within 1 day from the day when the letter came, it was put up, it was approved. It shows that there was no conscious decision. That's what I want to say. Decision is there, no conscious decision. It simply says, this letter is received, and we may propose to FCI to supply fortified rice. I've asked also whether there are any reports, any tests done before to identify the people who require it. And answer is yes. I've asked for the copy of the report, and mark report dil to is a report which rice dalda for testing. If the rice is sent for testing, it doesn't mean the people are requiring it. The question is whether people are suffering from anemia, people are suffering from iron deficiency, whether you have conducted any test about it. That was my question. But answer, you have given me some test done in Bombay and you send me the report. That means your officers have not understood my question and answered properly. How can the government put citizens at risk by pushing fortified rice to everybody? Because not that everyone needs fortified rice. You may say women require fortified rice, because women mostly are anemic, some children are anemic. But you give to men fortified rice with iron, there will be complications.
प्लास्टिक तांदळाचेर आनी ताका लागून भलायकी इबाडल्या अश्यो कागाळी करपी जायत्यो बातम्यो खबरापत्रां आनी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मिडियांतल्यान आयिल्ल्यो। गोंयभर खवदळ जाल्लो। कार्लोस फरेरान रिपोर्ट मागिल्लो। रवीन एकूण आरोपांक दिल्ली जाप आयकपा सारकी।
सो फार आमचे कडेन अशी कंप्लेन येवना, जी तूं म्हणटा तशी कंप्लेन खंयच येवना गोंयांत। आनी जो आमी रायस टेस्टिंगा धाडटा बॉम्बे म्हणजे खंय म्हणटा तें लॅबोरेटरी भिवंडी, थंय धाडटा टेस्टिंगाक फॉर बरोबर आसा काय ना, जे वेट्रिफायड रायस fortified rice जो आमी धाडटात तो सारको आसा काय ना, ताका न्यूट्रिशन बाकीचें आसा काय ना जे प्रमाणे, कारण ते जे हे आसा तांदूळ, हे तांदूळ जे धाडटात आनी ताका आमी ते ह्या विटामीन मिक्स करता मदीं वेट्रिफायड करतात, ते बाबा ते सारकें आसा काय ना म्हणून आमी बॉम्बे धाडटा टेस्टिंगा धाडटा थंय आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमी लोकांक दिता. सो फार आमचे कडेन कसलीच कंप्लेन येवना गोंयांक, कारण गोंयांक हें सगळें देशांकय वयता हें रायस, आनी ते रायस जे आसा तितून सगळें तेजें मिक्स करून धाडटा विटामीन, आनी विटामीन मिक्स करून धाडले नंतर ते गरीब लोकांक विटामीन मेळना म्हणून ताका लागून ते मिक्स करून धाडटा. आनी ते विटामीन सगळे लोकांक जे आसा गरीब लोकांक, कित्याक तूं खायन ते रायस, ते तूं श्रीमंत न्हू, ते गरीब लोकांक रायस, ते गरीब लोक खाता, तुमी त्या लोकांची काळजी घेता, म्हाका खबर आसा गरीब लोकांची. ते गरीब लोकांक आमी बरें हें दिता, रायस दिता, आनी ते रायस सगळे तेचे बरें आसता आनी कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना. आमी सगळी काळजी घेतल्या, गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया काळजी घेता, आमी घेता, तर प्रॉब्लेम कांय ना.
मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान देशभर कशे तरेन वेगवेगळ्या घटकांक तांदळांचें वितरण जाता तें सांगलें. पूण कार्लोस फरेराचो प्रश्न आसलो गोंयांत अशें स्पेसिफिकेशन केलां हय. आनी मागीर मुख्यमंत्री, कृषी मंत्री आनी आर्लोस फरेरा हांचे मदीं प्रश्नोत्तरी जाल्ली ती आयकपा सारकी.
So this way, my question is, have you made the study? It is not that after somebody falls sick and dies, you will make a study. Question is, before administering, you are giving it to everyone. You are not selected a group. You are not selected the villages. So question is whether you have done this. That was my question. It is not a question whether it is needed or not needed. Across the board, I would not say, I'm not objecting otherwise to be putting. My question is specific to Goa. How have you identified the need and which places and how?
When the government of India is doing the survey, they are doing the whole, throughout the country they are doing the survey. It is particularly they are taking the samples from the each and every district. So they have taken that time the sample from both the districts also from the remote villages.
There's nothing on record on that.
That is, when they are taking this, the district-wise
They have specified district-wise. I've seen the table. Nothing of Goa is there. In fact, when they were rolling out, 15 states were supposed to take. 5 took first, 10 did not take. Then the Prime Minister made a statement in 2021. He'll roll it out in phases, and then all the states will have to do by 2024.
According to me, if they are not done the specific, when they are taking the policy for throughout the country, that time they are implementing this.
Soy zalyar, it's not guaranteed that is necessarily good, because government of India is subsidizing, that is why we're getting it less. Why can the government of Goa not subsidize our ukde rice and supply in the market? Number 2, तुम्ही पळयला आसतले ऑर्गेनिक फूड म्हणले की ते आमचे गार्डनाचे फूड, पूण ते विकतात आनी हाय प्रायस आनी लोक वयता घेवपा. पीपल हू कॅन अफोर्ड, लेट देम बाय दॅट.
आतां उकडे तांदूळ आहा ते श्रीमंत घेवं शकता, तूं सारके, गरीब लोक जे आसा ते घेवं शकना.
प्राइस जो आसा पळय न्ही, आमच्या उकड्या रायसाचो प्राइस खूब आसा, विच इज गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाचो जो प्राइस प्रोक्युअर करतात, इट इज व्हेरी लेस प्राइसा खातीर करतात ते. बट आमी मदीं प्रपोजल हांवेनूय एकदां धाडून दिल्लो तांकां की आमी उकडो रायस प्रोक्युअर करता, तुमी ताजो आमकां प्रायस ती हें करा. बट इट इज नॉट एफोर्डेबल, कारण 80 रुपीज केजी उकडो रायस आसा आनी हो रायस म्हाका दिसता तांकां अप टू द 10 रुपीज बीन तो रायस जो आहा पळय न्ही प्रोक्युअर करतात आनी फोर्टिफायड करून मागीर तो सगळो मार्केटान दितात.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलम रॉड्रिक्स, संदीप कामोलकार आनी निखिल जल्मी.